Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. So first up here, open up your YouTube app as you can see on your screen and then choose the video that you want to share. For example, this video right here. So tap on this one. Now here, basically, you'll find the option right here. So all you need to do is tap on the share button and it will show you this option. So basically you can automatically share it to your Instagram. As you can see the Instagram icon right here. So if you tap on this one, you'll be directly go to your Instagram account. But if you want to share it to your Instagram story, so what you're going to do is go back and again tap on the share button. And here you just need to tap on the copy link button. Now once you've copied the link, open your Instagram app. Now here, tap on the plus icon right here at the bottom to create a story. And then here, you just need to go to story and you can take a photo. So you can use that on your Instagram story. Now to add that YouTube link, tap on the sticker icon right there at the top. And here an option shows up, as you can see. Now find the link button. So tap on this one and then just need to paste the URL link. And then once you've done, then it will show you the link on your story. And you can also add some text. So tap on that text and here you can write down, please watch this. And then from here, you can also change the font style or the font size. So basically right here, so type on please watch this and then change the font right here. And you can also add some stickers like the YouTube stickers or any available stickers on your story. So once you've done right here, you can now tap on the next button right here, the bottom right corner, and you can now post it to your Instagram story. So that's how you basically share YouTube video on Instagram story. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.